have a burning question just for you. And the question is this: have you consumed so much stuff online that you're totally confused about exactly what you need to do and when? You think, I bought this course or I've done this training and I just feel overwhelmed. I don't know where everything is going. I don't know if my systems are working properly, if I've got that far. I don't have my emails set up if you've got that far. There's things in the life that you're sitting here thinking, number one, how's all these people doing it and only working a couple of hours a day? Number two, what is really truly happening in the digital online world? Are people actually making money? And I want to answer these for you. But number three, you are so consumed with everything that you have that you're just sitting here thinking, I'm spinning my wheels and not getting any results. So if that's you, my friend, I want you to hang on, because we're going to go over 1, 2, and 3. And I want you to understand you are in the right place at the right time. You're not too late. And the digital online world is exploding. But this is what I want you to understand. Number one, you've got to believe in you. You've got to believe that you have everything inside of you that you can succeed in the digital online world. I don't care how many courses you buy. I don't care how many trainings you go to. I don't care what you do. Think of it as your job. If you get up in the morning and you go to your 9 to 5 job and you treated your business online that you're trying to figure out like your job that you do every day, would you fire yourself from your business? Because I can tell you, your employer would probably fire you from the job. So you go to that job because you're comfortable. You go to that job because, I got my foot in the door and I know what I'm doing and I'll get a promotion here or there or whatever. But are you really going to? Do you really understand that that boss is not guaranteeing you a permanent job? Nothing's permanent in life. Everything changes. Think about this. How many teachers out there right now in the world got a pink slip this year instead of got their contract renewed? Because they didn't have the ability to pay them anymore. So just because you had a teaching contract doesn't mean that you're going to get a teaching contract for the next year. Just because you have a job doesn't mean that you're going to get to go to that job tomorrow and still have that job to provide for your family. So do you have a plan B in place? And if not, why not? Why do you not have that plan B in place? That you can help other people learn how they can work remotely from anywhere as well and have their own time back. So one of the things that I want to encourage you, invest in you. I don't care if it's investing for free, or I don't care if it's investing in a product or program, but invest in you. Because you need to learn a skill. If you don't know it, there's YouTube out there. I have a YouTube channel that is full of videos of how to, and guess what? They're free. And I have a community on the school platform, Building Digitally with Christy. And guess what? There's free stuff there too. I can guide you in building your ecosystem because I've been there. But more importantly, I've created a safe place that you can come to and ask your questions. And that leads me into another point that I want to share with you. We're fixing to have a 3-day, and I'm so blessed that I have a friend that's going to come in with me, and she's going to do the 3-day workshop with me. And we're just going back to the basics. We're going back to the basics to understand exactly where you need to go and what you need to do and how to master that 2-hour workday. So there's so many people out there that's trying to figure out how to get their system set up, how to master the 2-hour workday, how to do this, how to do that. It's just the basics that you're overlooking because you used to do it, but you're not doing it anymore. So if you're not having success in the digital online space, I encourage you to get with me. Number one, subscribe to this channel so you do not miss this video ever again, because I'm going to keep training you on different things all the time. Number two anytime I learn something, I share it. So you're getting free information out there to you. You know, the AI is blowing up right now. And I have done AI training, and I love it because it's something different and it's something advancing. But there's so many people out there that think AI is going to take the world over. No, the world is going to take you over because you didn't learn a skill. So if you're ready to learn a skill and you're ready to understand how you can excel in the online space, AI can be your best friend or it can be your worst enemy. You choose, friend. It's all in the clarity of your mindset. It's all in the clarity of what you want. So in this 3-day workshop, we're going to do it on the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st of this month. So if you have not joined my free community, it's the link below, Building Digitally with Christy, on the school platform. I am an app on your phone, and we will be going live those 3 days in there. The workshop is free, my friend. And after the workshop, if you want more one-on-one training with myself and my friend Donna, then you can come in and you can do the VIP. And we made it so economical that it's crazy. I mean, like, we're going to have so much clarity and so much information in there, and the workshop is $27 for all 3 days. So it's something that you can't afford not to get into if you're struggling to figure out where your basis is in the online space. So I just encourage you, click the link below. Just go subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss another video. Click the link below and go down and get into my free community, Building Digitally with Christy, on the school platform. Click the link below, buildingdigitally.com, that's going to take you into a world of possibilities. And I said a world of possibilities because there's so many possibilities in there that you can choose from, whatever's best for you. But we also have a webinar tomorrow. And if you click the link below, buildingdigitally.com with Christy, or buildingdigitally.com, when you click that link below, then it's going to take you over into my email automations, and go in, and if it's might be in your spam or promotional folder, and check for my first email. Scroll down in the email and it's going to say click here to register for the next webinar. And the link below at the very bottom, it says the latest training. That was our webinar from previously that's still up, but it'll be going away tomorrow. Because whenever we have that next webinar, that webinar will be in there. So I just encourage you, friend, there's so much free training out there for you. There's so much clarity out there for you. There's so many people out there willing to help you. Are you willing to receive it? So I just encourage you, get the details, go down in my description, and go in and understand. There's so many free opportunities in there. But if you're ready to build your ecosystem, come over to my community. We're going to do that workshop next week. You don't want to miss it. But you also want to get the clarity of understanding how to build your ecosystem correctly. How to build your ecosystem from the ground up so that you can help other people learn how to work remotely from anywhere as well. In their time, in their own spare time. So I will see you soon. Be sure and click so you can subscribe so you don't miss that other video. See you soon, friend.